This is another chart to back up SAU and price has really moved. It has really moved. There's nothing you can do. Sometimes structure is tested to be broken. So the demand is fueled by a lot of reasons, and we continue to see upswing. We continue to see upswing. We continue to see upswing price, and you can see price after breaking off from the ascending trend line. It came down retested. Now price has officially on 30 minutes and on 1 hour returned to a new demand floor. The previous supply roof is broken. Our price is on demand floor. And when it's on demand floor, it's a foundation for uptick. So it's hopeful that this trend will continue to print, but it will print a quick print and drop as fast as possible due to the surge is unrealistic surge. It's an unrealistic surge. We understand industrial and commercial application of gold, but the price is so unwarranted. So what we see here is a move. The coast is cleared. So for price to go back and come back and drop here, you can see it. Or price can come down to this level. Yes. So stay alert and vigilant on that drop. Stay alert and vigilant on that drop. Stay alert and vigilant on that drop. So what we see here from our structure is to look at when price tapped into a supply zone, what is the depth of sell-off. So that emotion can still be triggered as price makes a new high. On technical base, selling sentiment will, will come in and sellers will want to take profit. They want to sell. So let's clean our charts. It was a good run yesterday, and if price is changing, we must recalibrate. Calibration is part of the strategy, meaning that you are not stuck in a particular place where analysis is not aligning with fundamental. The most important thing about trading gold is that your analysis must correspond with fundamental analysis. You can't have a technical analysis going against fundamental analysis. So the analysis at the moment is that SAU will continue to see influx of capital fueled by geopolitical tension, political instability, and as a top tier asset, the BRIC nation adopting gold as a back for BRIC currency further reinforces gold as a top tier asset. So as a top tier asset, especially in a time like this, the US election unpredictable, the Japanese election in chaos, and Israel and its allies engage in battle or confrontation. These are situations that could continue to be a bullish catalyst to SAUSD. So this is what we have. And I think the coast is cleared. The coast is cleared to move price. After we have a battle, there was a battle of sell buy at the roof, respecting our structure. The most important thing is even if structure is broken, seeing a structure respected is an indication that the structure was right. It's only in a situation whereby a structure is wrong. Price came down here and retested it, sold off from 77 to a retest to 2,761. You know, it was a considerable drop, a 100 pip drop. So if price tested the level of multiple times, broke the structure and is heading up. So it makes a decent sense that price now opens up for a new wave, and the new wave will push price into 2,800 level. Better look out for mid-term opportunities, and the probability that price might not cap that level is still on the desk. We have another very sound and beautiful price action and also an ascending triangle, which we believe will be a mid-term trigger sell opportunity or sell order region for other retail traders who might step in and want to look for a sell, maybe in the London or New York session. So on technical, I expect that we should have a trigger at this level. So at this level, we should expect some trigger that at the moment price will continue to move by over 100 pip. Yes, this is what we see for SAU on a larger scale. We want price to embrace the roof and the floor, and it's doing exactly what we want. This is the roof and this is the floor. So if price taps into that zone like we have here, now look at the structure. So let's mimic the structure. So look at the structure, and if it comes here, then it will come down here. That will be very massive. So if we come down here, that's nice. Where we have a decent floor. This is also a decent floor for price to react. So at this level, you cannot be wrong at this level because you're following a market order. So this is what we see on technical. So this is what we see. So it's nice that every layer is respected. That is the most important thing, is that every layer is respected. If every layer is respected, it affirms that the strategy is right. So let's go with it. Let's go with it. So this is what we have, and let's take this out. So we have a stop at 2,784, after which if we break it, they will now ultimately move. Look at the structure. Drop in resistance structure. Price got rejected at this level. Let's get this thing to the root of the matter and see what we get out of it. 30 minutes. 30 minutes has a very strong price action. A lot of traders do not know. 30 minutes is better than 15 minutes. For the fact that it's half an hour, it's doing marvelously well. And has been shown to give us a very nice price reading. So this is what we see. You can see the structure. Resistance structure. Break of resistance structure, retest. Retest. Price came down, broke support structure, retest. Peak liquidity and return back. After breaking the resistance structure, we played on demand on multiple times. If price comes back here, it's a sell. So our first sell zone has been fulfilled. We had leverage after price touching this floor. Look at the structure. So let's put this black. So glad that the analysis was right, and so we are vindicated. So let's see. So you see the structure here. So let's get it on cycle. That's the demand floor. Another demand floor, another demand floor. Break of a demand floor becomes supply roof 1, supply roof 2. And price came exactly where this price stopped and pushed up. So we want a pullback maybe into 76, and that would be nice. That would be nice. we'll see what she does from there. This is what we can see for SAUSD.